Manan yan ke. Para pantay. No. Okay. Dapat. Okay, introducing first, and a red corner, the pride of Malapatan Sarangani Province, Medu Salamanca, and opponent, and a blue corner, the pride of General Santos City, Justin Cariaga. Next bout, Patrick James Antaran versus kay Clifford Quito.
Let's give it up for power judge number 2 is Sir Melvin Anthony Savio Arado.
And the first chairman of the Board of Judges, he was born in Candelaria, Pasay, and pursued his bachelor's degree in the Conservatory of Music, majored in voice and percussion at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. He later completed a second degree, Bachelor of Science in Criminology at Holy Trinity College, City.
Time of the first round between Tadong Salamanca and Justin Cariaga.
Internationally recognized in the field of marching band, baton twirling, and color guard. He served as a board of judge and Asian competitions held in Singapore in 2002, as well as in Sabah, Malaysia, and Canada, Japan.
Coach sa Silway, coach kay Jeber Dalugdog, Silway. Coach ni Jeber Dalugdog, Gold Ray.
And is an active member of various prestigious music organizations, including the American Rockers League of the Philippines, Pambansang Samahan ng mga Bandas sa Pilipinas, and the World Association for Symphonic Dance and Ensembles. He has served as a drum and bell consultant in Sultan Kudarat province, particularly in Palembang, Kidapawan City, and has also been actively involved in cultural arts as a choreographer for 9 consecutive years. He conducted extensive music training under the City of Coronadal Summer Music Festival project, teaching voice, violin, viola, cello, guitar, piano, drums, and saxophone, flute, and other
10 seconds.
His career as a grandmaster and arranger includes leading students, Tirana's marching
Time.
band of 2005,
Of the first round between Salamanca and Cariaga. Next bout, Patrick James Antaran versus kay Clifford Quinto.
National Drum and Choir Competition held in Manila from 1995 to 1996. At present, he serves as a conductor of the Symphonic Band at Holy Trinity College in General Section, then arranger and conductor of the Notre Dame of
Seconds out. Second round. Salamanca versus Cariaga. Second round.
and performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for the chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Jimar Malaban.
And that concludes our Board of Judges. These competition, the Tops and Water competition, and the celebration of the morning ceremony.
Gis, 10 seconds. Time of the second round between Salamanca and Cariaga. Jinsan nga coach, doon dre sa kuan. Jinsan nga coach, doon dre sa jury table.
Mahangin.
Seconds out.
Mahangin.
Third and final round between Salamanca and Cariaga. The third and final round between Salamanca and Cariaga. Next bout, Patrick James Antaran versus kay Clifford Quinto.
Taghangin.
Result for this bout. Winner, Rick Corner, Tadong Salamanca of Malabatan. 11 bouts, 11